Hi there, welcome back to my channel. How to use the preposition at, in, on with time references? Let's talk about it. Let's start with the preposition at. We use at with specific time. I wake up at 5 a.m. The class starts at 6:30. So, at digunakan untuk waktu tertentu, specific time. We also use at with meal time, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Misalnya, I'll visit you at breakfast. I'll visit you at breakfast. She usually goes for a walk at lunch. She usually goes for a walk at lunch. I usually go for a walk at breakfast. Remember, we're not talking about meal, we're talking about time, breakfast time, lunch time, dinner time. Next, we use at with the specific part of the day, sunrise, sunset. Misalnya, let's go to the beach at sunset. The scenery is beautiful at sunrise. The sky is beautiful at sunset, misalnya. Finally, we use at with festivals and holidays for the entire length of time. We use at with festivals and holidays, liburan ya, misalnya Easter, misalnya holiday Easter atau Christmas, seperti itu. Dalam kalimat contohnya, what are you doing at Easter? What are you doing at Easter? Let's continue to the preposition in. We use in for a longer period of time. In plus month. Misalnya, we're going on vacation in July. We're going on vacation in July. Kemudian, in plus year. I was born in 1993. I was born in 1993. Kemudian, in plus seasons. Misalnya, it's always cold in winter. It's always cold in winter. It's always hot in summer. In summer. The next preposition is on. We use on with day of the week. Misalnya, she never works on Sundays. She never works on Sundays. We never work on Sundays. Kemudian, on plus date. Misalnya, his birthday is on December 22nd. Misalnya, his birthday is on December 22nd. Contoh lain, I'm not working on New Year's Eve. I'm not working on New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve itu adalah tanggal 31 Desember. Kalau New Year, tanggal 1 Januari. New Year's Eve berarti December 31st. Specific date. I'm not working on New Year's Eve, December 31st. Now, let's look at some common time expressions. Time expressions: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Di dalam kalimat misalnya, I only watch YouTube at night. I only watch YouTube at night. Sedangkan kalau morning, afternoon, evening, kita menggunakan in. I usually watch YouTube in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in. Sedangkan kalau misalnya di depannya morning itu ada harinya, kita menggunakan on. On plus day plus morning. Misalnya, I usually watch YouTube on Sunday morning. On Sunday morning. Karena di depannya ada day of the week, Sunday. On. Kalau morning aja berarti in the morning. Kalau misalnya ada the day of the week-nya, ada harinya, kita menggunakan on. On Sunday morning. Selanjutnya, gimana kalau weekend? On the weekend atau at the weekend? British expression is at the weekend. Sedangkan American expression on the weekend. So, I usually watch YouTube on the weekend. On the weekend, kalau American expression. Kalau British expression menggunakan at the weekend. I usually watch YouTube at the weekend. Well, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give like and comment. And of course, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!